Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Say I wanted to go through this 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This has the nice tan interior. Solstice is definitely a premium line. We upgraded the speaker system, so it is a JL audio all the way through with a subwoofer. And we did the lighted cup holders. As you can see, those cup holders are on. You can change the colors. So right now it's just on a white, but you can make them change a little bit. We've got armrests that pop down in the back here. They have nice cup holders in them, and obviously cup holders in there as well. As we come all the way through, this is called a center walk-through dual helm. So you have dual helm seats that recline, and they have nice armrests on them. Over here on the helm, we do have a Lowrance, so this is going to give you your depth, a little bit of fishing. We got the JL audio here, some other gauges. This is a 200 horsepower Mercury, and this is the digital throttle. This right here is a wireless charger for your phone. And then as we come forward, we have some storage in here. There is a curtain that kind of pops up, so a little changing room. We do have the upgraded tune, so it's a tri-tune with the upgraded tune, so you do get storage in the floor as well. It's nice and deep. You can fit a lot of stuff down here. And then we just have massive seating up in the bow. Each one of these has storage underneath them, so they pop down just like that. You can get to your stuff. This cushion's all on a hinge system, and it's got a lock on it too, so when I put it in, it locks into place. Got a nice big door, all hinged, and it's very, very strong. So this boat's sitting in our Rogers location right here. If you want to come on down, take a look at it. It is a 2020, so we have some very good deals on it. And then as always, click the like button and always click to subscribe to see all the new videos we're putting out every day.